Thank you for your interest in NuVue's pest control cover. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your pest control cover. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they're easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Untie the 2 fabric ties that are securing the cover closed. Step 2. Untie the bag holding the foreground spikes. Step 3. Tie any loose, untied red ties to the fiberglass poles. These are on the inside of the cover. Step 4. Place the pest control cover over the plants or shrubs you wish to protect. Step 5. With a rubber mallet, hammer the 4 ground spikes through the NuVue Materials tab at the bottom 4 corners of the pest control cover. The ground spikes should be installed at a 45-degree angle to properly secure the cover. Disassembly. Step 1. Remove the 4 ground spikes, securing the cover to the ground. Step 2. Push both ends of the cover so that it lays flat. Step 3. Tie the 2 loose ties in a bow tie to hold the cover closed. Step 4. Store in a dry place until the next use.